and bringing this amazing work to the world. So, welcome you all.
Namaskar and welcome to the day two of the magic. So we'll be beginning in a while till the time more people join in.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, if you have any questions regarding yesterday's assignment or the session, you may ask. And if you have any sharing, you already started seeing some magics around you, you can share that. As Puran was about to share, so all others can also jump in and share.
Yeah, and meanwhile, Jasjeet Almas Shruti has also joined with us. Welcome, guys. And we just started, and we are just inviting people to share from their life if they want to share.
And welcome to all the people who are joining today. So, we are reading this book called The Magic by Rhonda Byrne, and we are on day two of the practice. And so, welcome. And I would request you to be on the same page. Please do read the preface and day one chapters on your own, and do the assignments so that you all are on the same page.
Yeah.
Yeah, Puran.
So, anyone else? Okay, there are a couple of important things, guys. Kindly make your video on and your audio off, because maybe sometimes we might be doing something and that can distract whoever is reading the book, right? So this is an humble request. So anyone would like to share आपकी लाइफ से क्या आप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, you know, and anyone want to share anything from the assignment जो आपने किए हैं? Okay, so
So I would like to share
yeah, Meenakshi, please go ahead.
what I found while doing the assignments is that there is a default being, like there's a default kind of behavior, right, that I am into, which is going back to the state of cribbing or blaming, or thinking this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. And then I was reminding myself, no, I need to come back to the state of gratitude, and it was magical. So coming back was a task, but while coming back was magical. So
Thank,
yeah.
yeah, thank you so much for sharing, Meenakshi. That is the practice we are supposed to be doing during these sessions. And we all are, in that default mode. And
Yeah.
by practicing, we will bring gratitude and magic into our lives. So good,
Yeah.
welcome, and congratulations that you started catching yourself.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, and all the very best to you.
Thank you, Meenakshi, for sharing. And okay, great. So Anjali and I think Ranjit have also joined with us. So guys, we are sharing whatever we are experiencing. तो जगजीत, मैं भी ना एक चीज शेयर करना चाहूंगा जो मैंने कल एक्सपीरियंस करी,
Sure.
एक से ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस करी थी,
Mm.
क्योंकि आने वाली है। आई एम श्योर एवरीवन मस्ट बी प्लानिंग की कुछ गिफ्ट लेने हैं, परचेज करना है। तो आई वेंट विद माय वाइफ टू मेट्रो कैश एंड कैरी which is here in near our house और तो मैं मेट्रो कैश एंड कैरी हम जा रहे थे, हम मॉल के नीचे उतरे, मैंने गाड़ी लेफ्ट ली, लेफ्ट लेती मैं पार्किंग की तरफ जा रहा था। तो जैसे ही ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे पार्किंग है और लेफ्ट में मेट्रो कैश एंड कैरी का गेट है, तो आई थॉट कि यहीं पार्किंग मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि सामने से सीधे। बट हुआ क्या कि जैसे आगे पहुंचा तो गार्ड दिख रहा था जो कहता है आप नीचे जाइए। तो आई थॉट यार मुझे तो यहीं पार्क करनी है। देन आई जस्ट होल्ड फॉर अ सेकेंड और फिर मैंने गाड़ी को ना पीछे बैक किया। तो मैंने कहा क्योंकि मुझे तो गाड़ी में बैठना थोड़ी देर, तो मैं यहाँ साइड लगा देता हूँ और यहीं पे ही बैठ जाऊंगा गाड़ी में। एंड मैंने जैसे बैक करके गाड़ी राइट लेके मैं पार्किंग की तरफ गाड़ी को खड़ा करने लगा, हो गॉड, वहीं से एक गाड़ी बैक करके वापस जा रही थी और मेरे लिए स्लॉट खाली हो गया उसी फ्लोर पे जहां मुझे चाहिए था, और बिल्कुल उसके गेट के सामने। एंड गॉड, जब वो हो रहा था ना, मेरे को एग्जैक्टली द सीक्रेट मूवी में एक पर्सन है, ही इज एन इन्वेस्टर, जो सीक्रेट मूवी आपने देखी हो, तो उसके सिर पे बाल कम है, तो आपको ऐसे याद आ जाएगा, और चमकता हुआ चेहरा है उसका. And you were actually sharing the same thing that has happened with him, that he was thinking of parking, and then parking, he got the parking. I was a thank you, and thank you, you know. So that's something amazing. So,
Yeah.
so that has happened with me, and so that was, and I'm sure lot many magic is going to happen in each one of us life today.
Yeah.
Look for that.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Puran, for sharing that. And I will also like to share something. As I'm a life coach and I've just started some time back, I just started my practice. Yesterday, I got two opportunities. I got one person who called on her own and invited me to be on the panel, and the other I got 4 coaching assignments yesterday. So this was magical because suddenly things are just pouring in, and I'm so grateful to the universe for giving me this opportunity. And I mean, I'm in awe of it. It's just so wonderful. So keep looking around, because you also must be experiencing small, all will start experiencing small magics in your life. And this will happen only if you keep doing your practice, if you do your assignments. Just being in the session is not going to help. ज्ञान तो बहुत इकट्ठा कर लिया, उसको practice करने का time है अब. So let's put it to practice and start causing magic in our lives.
Yeah.
Anybody else would like to share anything?
Okay.
Or anyone has any questions about the session or the assignment yesterday? I hope you all have written your blessings. Please unmute yourself and say if you have any question or any sharing.
Great. So Chitralekha said that she has done the assignment. Amazing, so wonderful, great, Almas. And that's the key, guys. Because as Jagdish said, and as we all know, ज्ञान की कमी ना कभी थी ना कभी होगी. So that's so amazing. Great vision. Awesome. So as people are pouring in, so we will be starting soon. And Jagdish, क्योंकि आज actually हर chapter की length अलग अलग है, right? And
yeah,
couple of chapters which are long, and it may take couple of few more minutes to read. There are a couple of chapters which are small, and so क्या हम उसमें इंटरेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं, so that जो हमारी intention है कि practice of this magic work really happen in each one of us life, so that everyone in their life experience the magic. So what do you think, क्या करा जा सकता है, क्योंकि आज का chapter probably शायद इतना लंबा ना हो, जो मुझे लगता है.
so we can read it in Hindi also, because maybe people get more clarity. So whenever we have a smaller chapter, when the length is not very long and we can finish it fast, we can do it in Hindi as well as in English, if that is okay with everyone.
Yeah.
And the other thing is, Alma just wrote that she could not find Pebble yesterday. So please find it today, because it is today's assignment, and you need to start it today. And please look for a Pebble, take little extra effort, make little extra effort and go and get it, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
जब पैबल की बात है ना, तो आप कोई भी चीज ले सकते हैं जो कि आपकी मुट्ठी में आ सके, एंड उसमें कोई शार्प एजेस ना हो. और राइट जगदीप, जैसे कि यदि आपके पास में कोई स्टोन है, और स्टोन के अलावा आपके पास में कोई ऐसा क्रिस्टल है जो एजेस ना है, और आप आराम से कीप कर सकते हैं, तो दैट यू कैन आल्सो यूज फॉर दैट. Am I right, Jagdeep?
We can, but I would still recommend that we use a stone.
Got that.
Because stone has different properties and different vibrations. So that is the reason. Yeah.
Okay, great. So guys, can you put on chat box that whenever the time we get the time, and we get then we can read the chapter in English as well as in Hindi so that it can sync very well, and we can really practice that in the same time with more focus and concentration.
Yeah, can I ask you?
Hanji,
Yeah,
Hanji.
sure. Please, please.
My request is to kindly share your name so that everyone knows that, and please ask the question.
And
Yeah,
also share where are you speaking from.
Bijal Shah, Belgaum, Karnataka.
Yeah, Bijal, please.
See, I have a stone, black, white color and blue and pebbles. जो आप कल बता रहे थे पेबल्स का, but I'm not understand ये क्या करने का.
वो आज पता चलेगा ना जब पढ़ेंगे.
Okay, because इतने सारे stones and I'm literally thinking क्या है उसका reason.
एक लेना है, सिर्फ एक लेना है. You have to keep one. Throughout 26 7 days, you have to use only the same pebble. Because you are actually charging it. You are actually putting vibrations of gratitude into it. And that is what is going to bring magic.
Okay, so which color we have to take? White?
Any color, any color. Color is not particular.
Okay. So
it has to be a stone, and it has to be something which does not have sharp edges, and it fits into your palm, and you are able to close your fingers around it. That's it.
Okay. And I write it down also 10 blessing. Thank
Very
you,
good.
universe. Thank you, God. And thank you for a guidance. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for your peaceful. And thank you for your unfalling love. And thank you for myself. I'm so happy. I'm getting 4 o'clock. मेरे को 4 बजे उठ जाती हूँ मेरा. I'm thinking कब timing कब 7 बजेगा, and I'm very enthusiastic कि कब ये timing आएगा 7 बजे का.
Great, great.
Yeah, and अभी तक मेरा magic नहीं हुआ. I'm thinking कब magic होगा, कब magic होगा.
Yeah, होगा, जरूर होगा.
बिजल, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग. और यदि बिजल आप ध्यान से देखो, जैसे हमने पहले भी शेयर किया था कि यू नो मैजिक इज ऑलरेडी इज देयर इन लाइफ एंड इज हैपनिंग.
Yeah.
Shared right now, Bizzle, is a magic. You know, a human being fully charged, excited about life, participating in life is not less than a magic. Trust me.
That's true. That's true.
There are people paying lakhs of rupees to get that kind of energy, enthusiasm, and charm in life. So, and I got that in your materialistic life, there may be certain things you require and get it, and you soon will be getting that. As Jagdish said, couple of practice the way the book said to practice it, and you will going to get receive it. Am I right, Jagdish?
Definitely. If you do the practice the way it is designed, magic is going to happen, and your dreams will start coming closer to you.
Already I write it everything.
Very good. Very good.
I'm so excited, क्या क्या नया कुछ आ रहा है. I'm getting a 4 o'clock उठ जाती हूँ मैं. पता नहीं इतना जल्दी क्यों हो जाता है मेरे से.
So that itself is a magic, no?
Yeah. That is true. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bijal, for sharing.
Yeah.
So can we begin with the reading of the chapter, please?
Yes. So as we got, so Jagdish, as we got a request from Meenakshi that she wants to read the chapter, so I'll invite Meenakshi to please read it for all of us. And thank you so much, Meenakshi, for taking this on. Right. And Meenakshi, can you see the screen, or can everyone can see the screen right now on a screen, Day 2, the Magic Rock? If yes,
Yes.
on chat box, yes, so that we can then immediately start the session.
Yes, thank you, Puran. Thank you for the opportunity. I can see the screen.
Got that. And my request is everyone able to see that, so that, you know, we all are on the same page? Guys, can you please put on chat box if you're able to see that?
Yeah, and my request is please read along with the reader, but keep yourself mute, but do read it, because only listening to this will not make a difference. So please read it along.
Okay.
And I have also shared the PDF version once again today. and then you can actually go through it. People who have joined today can go through the books and maybe download it on their systems so that they can read it while in case they are not able to see it on the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. ठीक है जी. So thank you, Meenakshi. Please go ahead and let's read out together.
Okay. Thank you. Day 2, the magic rock. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Okay. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. By Charles Dickens.
Yeah. So I just want to say here that Charles Dickens has written that reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty. अभी तक हमने इस बारे में सोचा ही नहीं कि हमारे पास क्या क्या है. We are always focusing on what has happened in the past. हमारे पास क्या नहीं है. We are only focusing on that. But this book is actually directing our attention towards the blessings and the fortune we already have, so that it increases with our gratitude. So that is the whole intention of this book. Yeah, please continue.
In the beginning of working with these practices, it takes concentrated days in a row to make gratitude a habit. Anything that reminds you to be grateful is helping you turn your life into gold with gratitude. And that's exactly what this magical practice is about. Lee Brower presented the Gratitude Rock practice in the Secret film and book when he told us the story of the father of a dying child who used a gratitude rock to be grateful for his son's health, and his son made a miraculous recovery. Since then, the gratitude rock has been a proven success with many people the world over who have used it for money, healing, and happiness.
Yeah, so all of you have seen the movie, and I'm sure you have seen this particular portion of the movie where this guy is talking about the magic rock and how his friend, when he had come from Africa, asked him about it. And then when his son fell sick, he asked for the magic rock, and how he cured his son, and how after that he's been selling the magic rock and using that money for charity. So I had started using this magic rock when I read it for the first time. And I think this is the second magic rock which I'm using. The first one, I think once there was some work happening in the house and it got misplaced. And since then, I've been using this magic rock. And it has become a habit. Automatically, before going to bed, before going to sleep, I hold this my magic rock in my hand and do this practice. So once you start practicing it, you will find the difference. And there's a science behind it when he's talking about the magic rock. So going forward, we will learn how it is going to help. Please go ahead.
First, find a rock or a stone. Choose a small size that fits in the palm of your hand and that you can close your fingers around. Choose a rock that is smooth, without sharp edges, not too weighty, and that feels really good in your hand when you hold it. You can find a magic rock from your garden if you have one, or from a riverbed, creek, ocean, or path. If you don't have easy access to any of these places, then ask your neighbors, family, or friends. You may even have a precious rock or stone already that you can use as your magic rock. When you have found your magic rock, put it by your bedside in a place where you will definitely see it when you go to bed. Clear some space if necessary so that you can easily see your magic rock when you go to bed. If you use an alarm clock, put it next to your alarm clock.
So
Tonight,
why is she asking you to keep it there? So that, because it's a practice we are starting now. So we are not used to it. So if it is next to your bedside where you put your alarm clock, if it is visible there, it will remind you that you're supposed to do this practice before going to bed. So that is the whole purpose. So don't keep it anywhere else. Keep it next to your bed only so that it is visible. And don't hide it anywhere, because if people ask you, be very proud and tell them this is what you're doing. In my house, this is being kept there, and many a time people come and ask me, "Ye kya rakha hua hai?" So I just said, "This is magic rock." So then I explain them, "Oh, that's what they say." But it is so magical, and it is so easy practice which we can incorporate in our daily life very easily. In fact, my maid does it every day. And I remember, I think we were in Landmark and we had gone to Srinagar to lead an introduction. We were a group of around, I think, 20 people. We had gone to Srinagar and we were doing sightseeing. And I was picking up, from the river, these small, small pebbles. And so one of my friends asked me, "Ye kya kar rahi hai?" So I said, "I'm collecting magic rocks." "Ye magic rocks kya hota hai?" So I just explained it to her. And she said, "Pata nahi kya kya karti rehti hai." And I actually brought, see, say around 5, 6 of them, and I distributed it to people. And people who are already into magic, people who are already doing it. So I gifted them those magic rocks. And it was so good to, it was a very good feeling that, I am giving them gratitude, something to practice and which will stay with them. And I brought it all the way from Srinagar for them. So it is a magical practice. Once you start doing it, you will be like thrilled. "Eh, kya ho raha hai life mein?" You will sleep in a positive frame of mind, and subconscious mind mein wahi rahega, and wahi programming hogi. And next day morning when you get up and write your blessings, you're starting also your day in a positive mode. So you're actually rewiring your neuron patterns, you're creating new habits, and gratitude becomes a part of your life. And magic is ought to happen. There's no way कि magic नहीं होगा. होना ही है. Magic तो है, हमें दिखता नहीं है. When once you start doing all these practices, you become aware of them. अब जैसे पूरन ने share किया about the parking. Had it been any other day, he wouldn't have realized it. It is because of the magic. He could have just felt, "Oh, good है, चलिए ये वाली गाड़ी चलेगी, मेरे को जगह मिल गई." That's all. That's what we usually do. We don't realize the magic, small magics which are happening all around us all the time. What this book is doing is, this book is giving us awareness, and it is giving us power to attract that what we want in our life. Yeah, please continue.
tonight, just before you get into bed to go to sleep, pick up your magic rock. Hold it in the palm of one hand and close your fingers around it. Think back carefully through all the good things that happened during the day and find the best thing that happened that you are grateful for. Then say the magic words, "Thank you," for the best thing that happened. Return the magic rock to its place by your bed, and that's it. Every night for the next 26 days, follow the same magic rock practice. Before you go to sleep, think back through the day and find the best thing that happened that day. While holding your magic rock in your hand, be as grateful as you can be for that thing and say thank you. Using a rock seems like such a simple thing to do, but through this practice, you will see magical things begin to happen in your life. When you look for the best thing that happened during the day, you will search through many good things that happened. And in the process of searching and then deciding on the best one, you are actually thinking of many things you are grateful for. You will also be ensuring that you go to sleep and wake up in gratitude each day.
Huh. So I just want to add here is that when you're searching through the day, what all good things are happen, if any negative thing comes up, just let it go. Don't pay any focus to it, because initially when you will be going through the day and searching for the things which has happened that day, there will be things uh, which were not according to what you wanted, or negative things, and they may pop up. So don't worry. Slowly, when you start practicing, focusing on the good things which have happened during the day, you will be able to practice it and focus only on that. Initially, if the negative things or the things you didn't like what happened during the day, if they pop up, just let it go. Don't pay attention to it, and try looking for what was the best thing or what happened which really made you feel good. Yeah, please continue.
The way Jagjit, when we go to any website and pop-ups come, and if it is not required, we just close it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, Vinay.
The Count Your Blessings and Magic Rock practices will ensure that you begin and end your days in a state of gratitude. In fact, they are so powerful that together they would change your life in a few months. But this book is designed to change your life really fast through an abundance of magical practices, because gratitude is magnetic and attracts more things to be grateful for. The concentration of gratitude over 28 days will intensify the magnetic force of your gratitude. When you have a strong magnetic force of gratitude, like magic, you automatically magnetize everything you want and need to you.
Okay, so as the author is saying that just doing 10 blessings in the morning and the magic rock at night before going to sleep will definitely start bringing magic into your life. But to amplify it, to intensify it, this book has been designed so that you are incorporating more practices during the day and amplify it and bring your dreams closer to you so that they become reality as soon as possible. That is the intention why this book was written, and that is why these practices. So that is what I wanted to say here. Yeah,
And very important word Jagjit has used, that amplify. Yeah. If
yeah.
it amplify, that you are expanding the things. So as in this book, we are really amplifying and we're expanding what we are grateful for,
Yes.
right? So
Yeah.
really amplify. Thanks, Jagjit. It's an amazing word to amplify.
Thank you. Yeah, Meenakshi, please continue.
Magic reminder: be sure to read tomorrow's magical practice sometime today, as you will need to collect some photographs before you begin.
Okay, so for tomorrow's practice, we need something which we have to, put it together. And so we will be reading the magic practice of day 3 also, after we have read the magic practice for day 2. Yeah, Meenakshi, please continue.
Yeah. Magic practice number 2: the magic rock. Number 1: repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. That is, count your blessings, Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, find a magic rock and put it by your bedside. Number 3, before going to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that happened today. Number 4, say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened today. Number 5, repeat the magic rock practice every night for the next 26 days. Number 6, read tomorrow's magical practice today.
Okay, so the practice is quite simple, but I just want to emphasize here on point number 3, it says before going to sleep. It did not say before going to bed. So there's a difference. So many a times we go to our bed and we go through our mobile, WhatsApp check कर रहे हैं, mails check कर रहे हैं, or we are watching something on the mobile or television, but we have already retired to the bed, but we are doing all these things. Or maybe you are being intimate with your wife, or you're looking after the child next to you, whatever it is. Once you have done everything, you've had your glass of water, you have gone to the washroom, you've done everything, you're just about to sleep. At that moment, you have to do this practice. So just hold it just before closing your eyes to sleep and do this practice, and then put it by the bedside and go to sleep. So that is very, very, very important, that it says before going to sleep, not going to bed. So be very clear about this. So if you have to deal with anything before that, please do that, finish everything. And once you are about to sleep, and मतलब आपने पिलो पे सिर रख दिया, आंखें बंद कर रहे हैं आप, at that time you have to do this, right? Any questions about the practice before we read practice number 3? Anyone has any question about the practice? Today's practice? Please unmute yourself and ask.
Hello, ma'am. Antara here from Calcutta.
Yeah, Antara.
I've got a question like, should we use this magic rock only to express our gratitude, or can we be forgetful? But like, can we seek forgiveness for any of our misdeeds?
No.
Throughout
What does
only
the
for
book
gratitude?
say? What
Only
does
gratitude. Only
Yes.
gratitude.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will again re-emphasize and reiterate, please do the practice as it is written in the book. Follow the instructions. Just follow the instructions. Surrender to the book. And that will give you magic. Does that answer your question, Antara?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, great. So let me go ahead to the third day practice.
1 second.
Yeah.
Somebody asked a question. I just could not finish reading. Alma, I think.
Alma says mentioned, yes, it is okay if we have to get up in the middle of the night. Need to check my mom.
Sure. You can get up during the night. You don't have to do it again. It's only when you're going to sleep. Just do it before going to sleep. That's it. If you get up in the middle of the night, it's okay. You don't have to do it again.
Okay. Great. Go ahead, Gurjeet.
Okay. So let's go to magic practice number 3. So how many of you want magic to happen in your relationships? Just write it in the chat box. How many of you want magic in your relationships? Okay.
I'm committed to amplify the magic in my relationship.
I get that. So I think everyone, each one of us who are on this call are actually looking for that, because we want one or other relationships of ours to go to the next level. Or maybe we are struggling in some, maybe we are very good at one, and but we still want to take it to the next level. So next practice, or the next day's practice, is all about relationship. How to bring magic in our relations. So for tomorrow's magic practice, we would need photographs of people with whom we want to improve our relationship. That is why we are reading this, because you'll have to keep those photographs with you today itself, so that you don't have to look for them tomorrow. So Meenakshi, can you please read it?
Yes. Magic practice number 3. Magical relationships. Number 1. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, choose 3 of your closest relationships and collect a photograph of each person. Number 3, with the photo in front of you, write 5 things you are most grateful for about each person in your journal or on your computer. Number 4,
Puran, please move it.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, please.
थोड़ा नीचे करना है. Begin each sentence with the magic words thank you. Include their name and what you're specifically grateful for. Number 5, carry the 3 photographs with you today or put them in a place where you will see them. Look at the photographs
See
on
them
at least
often.
3
See them,
occasions.
see them often.
Yeah, sorry. Or put them in a place where you'll see them often. Look at the photographs on at least 3 occasions. Speak to the person's face in the photograph and thank them by saying the magical words thank you and their name. Thank you, Helly. Number 6, before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, Meenakshi, for reading it for all of us. So I'll just explain this magic practice number 3. So writing 10 blessings, you have to do it every day. Magic rock practice, you have to do it every day. Other than that, day 3's practice is 3 ऐसे रिश्तेदार या 3 ऐसे relations. It could be friend, it could be your boss, it could be your family members. ऐसे 3 लोग with whom you want your relationship to go to the next level. And or maybe there is some challenges and you want a relationship to be better. So think and identify 3 people and keep their photographs. Family photograph you cannot use. It has to be that person's photograph. That person's photograph with you can work, but a family photograph will not work. So you have to have independent photographs of each person, either their photographs or with you will do. Yeah. And it's very simple. You have to, it's these days it's very easy. You can actually put it in your mobile and you carry it all the time with you. So that's not an issue. And you can see it 3 times at least in a day. And you have to write 5 things about them, which you really are grateful for. I'm sure you will find plenty, but you have to write only 5. And you have to say thank you by the name. Take the name and say thank you, and write whatever you want to write for that person. Thank you for being a great listener, or being a person who supports me at all times. Whatever you want to write about that person, and read it. Like once you've written it 5 times, 5 things, read it and say thank you, Haley, and just read all the 5 things. And just do this 3 times in a day. And I don't think it's difficult, because दिन में 3 बार तो हम कर ही सकते हैं. The only thing is to keep it in existence. अब उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? अलार्म लगाना है या आपने अपने सामने रखना है? That you have to work it out. You have to make a structure whereby you can do this practice 3 times as is designed, as it is mentioned in the book. So any questions about the assignment you have? I think I saw something on the chat. Puran, if you can just check, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I have 2 questions.
Yeah, go ahead.
The first one is that I want to improve relationship with my boss, but see, I'm in a middle of a transition wherein I do not know like who is my next boss. So I don't have the pick also, but I really want to improve. I have the organization, but not the next boss. So what can I do?
Go to the website, look for his picture. You will find it on LinkedIn. You will find it on the Facebook. You will find it. You have to just look for it.
Okay. And second question is like if I want to start a relationship, like I'm looking for marriage, so I do not know who the person is. Then
No. So focus on the existing ones right now. Once you get into practice and you have enough practice, you can go to the next level. But right now, do what the book is saying. Look for 3 people you already have in your life and you want to improve your relationship with them. So pick them up so that it becomes easy for you to start practicing. And once you start seeing magic in that, it will give you confidence, and it will also give you practice to take it forward.
okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Welcome. Anyone else has any question?
Yes,
Puran,
ma'am,
was there
I
any-
have a question. I'm
Yeah.
Chitralekha Sengupta. Hello?
Yeah,
I'm
Chitralekha.
Chitralekha Sengupta from Kolkata.
Okay.
Madam, there are a few very negative people for whom actually I have difficulty in writing gratitude. So how can I write gratitude towards them? Because I have only seen maybe that's my fault. I've only seen negative things in them. So can I write things that I want in them?
No, you
Because
have to look for things in the past they have done, which you
okay.
appreciated, or you have been feeling happy about. I'm sure everyone has good and bad streaks in them, and they
Hmm.
must have done something which was good, and you saw them, but you ignored it because you were focusing on negative
Hmm.
thoughts. So
Yes,
I
yes.
want you to like dig deeper and look for it. And five things तो आराम से मिल जाएंगी, because the only thing is कि हम देखते ही नहीं है ना. So I would invite you to start digging and finding out what are the 5 good things. Maybe you like that person's smile. Maybe you like the confidence. Maybe you like the confidence of that person.
I think, can I say something?
Yeah, please.
I think since we need to choose only 3 people, so
Yeah.
we can, for this exercise, leave out the people who we are feeling too negative about, and we can focus on improving relationships with the people who we have some kind of gratitude towards.
Yeah,
So we can choose those
that's
three
also, yeah,
people
yeah.
and work on that first and see where the relationship improves on that level first.
Yeah, you
So
can do
because
that also.
if we keep looking at people who are totally negative, then we'll feel even more low and say, "Arey, मुझे नहीं मिल रही positivity and मैं है ही नहीं." So we'll be wasting time. That's what
Yeah,
I feel.
yeah, who's that?
I'm Shruti.
Okay, thank you, Shruti, for jumping in and sharing that. And thank you for sharing and giving idea to him or to her. But the only thing is, it is everybody's journey. So they have to start looking for their own life, people in their own life. Maybe that relationship is important to her. That's why she wants to work on that.
Ma'am, Antara here once again. I just need to ask just one question. Like while writing 5 good things about the person, we have to see that person like in our
Yes,
mobile,
you have.
and then
Yes,
while seeing, I have to write, right? Like I have
yes,
to
you have.
see and I have to write, and I have to feel the emotion and
Yeah,
put it into paper, right? And pen it down.
exactly, Antara.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, because you have to look at the picture and feel the gratitude for
Speak to the
whatever you're
person's
writing.
face.
Yeah, and then you write it because feeling is the fuel. Don't forget that. Feeling is
Ma'am,
the
yeah,
fuel.
actually, just wanted to share one little thing. Yesterday, I have actually implemented it on my own. So I wanted to share on this forum that
Yeah,
yesterday, while writing Count Your Blessings, what I have done, I have recorded it and then I have listened to it. After writing Count Your 10 Blessings in detail, what I have done, I have read it first, then I have recorded it, and again I have listened to it. So that gives more of while I was listening to it, it was really giving me goosebumps, like seriously, I didn't know that I have so much in abundance. So I have listened to it and I've recorded it, and I
good,
was
good. So
that's
you're
just
amplifying it.
yes, absolutely, in a very magnanimous way. I recorded it even,
Yeah,
like and I was listening to it.
yeah.
So
Whatever works for anybody. Yeah.
I
exactly.
think that's a great tip. That's a great one.
Exactly. I actually
Thanks for sharing.
I implemented it. Yes.
Yeah. Thanks.
And
Yes.
Anybody else wants to share or have any question?
Jagdeep, what Antara said is really amazing. I do this, and it's
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
amazing, Antara. अपनी आवाज को खुद सुनना और a couple of people you might be experiencing, though I have experienced earlier, कि जब अपनी आवाज सुनते हो तो कुछ ना नुक्स निकलता है आपके दिमाग में आता है।
Absolutely, absolutely.
तो मैं तो स्लो बोलता हूँ, मैं तो लाउड, या मेरी आवाज में तो कशिश ही नहीं है या कुछ, and you going to get present to it, and you're going to get settled with this over a period of time, and it's an amazing feeling to settle with yourself, right? So
Yes, because the task was only designed in such a way that we have to write down count our 10 blessings. We have to pen it down and then we have to read it aloud, either separately or in our mind. But what I have done, I have read it first loudly, and then what I have done, I've recorded it once again, and then I then I've again listened to it. So it just keeps on vibrate. That gives us positive vibrations actually. What I was feeling,
Yeah.
yesterday ma'am was also mentioning that it gives us a lot of positive vibration when you read it aloud, and again I have recorded it and I've listened to it
Yeah. So Antara, don't forget that you have to write it every day.
absolutely.
every day. Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, just one thing, every day blessings can be like, we can write it differently, right, in
Yes.
different ways.
Yes.
Like each day has to be different from one another, right?
Yeah. Because
Oh,
we have plenty.
plenty, absolutely. Yesterday, sir was also, Puran sir was mentioning about vocal cord. Seriously, we don't realize all these few things. This kind of we should be thankful to God that we can see, we can hear, we can speak. We should be thankful. So I've penned it down everything in my blessings itself. So it was really amazing when I was writing it down, and we forget. We tend to overlook.
We take
So
it for granted.
granted, exactly. Yesterday, when Puran said, I really liked like we sir was like explaining that we should be thankful because we can speak. So that is all actually.
Yeah. Why only speak? We can see, we
We
can
can
hear,
see, we
we
can
can feel,
hear,
we can
feel.
feel. Yeah.
Yes,
Every,
exactly.
I mean, इतना दिया है भगवान ने, अगर हम देखना शुरू करें तो कंप्लेन करने के लिए तो जगह ही नहीं है.
हाँ, मैंने ये लिखा है, आई एम ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल बिकॉज ऑल माई सेंस ऑर्गन्स is at perfect harmony with one another. They are doing their job every single moment so carefully and sincerely that I can always feel the inner peace within me due to them. Thank you, Lord. So this is one of my
Yeah. Thank you, Antara. Thank you for sharing.
pleasure, my.
That's lovely answer. Thank you.
Jagjeet, I think Darshan ji
Thank you.
wants to say something. He has unmute in a while. Darshan, you want to share something? Please go ahead.
Actually, you see, I'm so excited that when you start finding you see what is happening around in your world, it's really very beautiful. So every day when you list the 10 which you are grateful for, they will be all different. And I remember you can actually collect hundreds of things you are grateful for. And why not?
Yes, sir. Yes, absolutely. Hundreds of things that so little things, we tend to overlook. But we should be thankful for each and everything. We have so much in abundance around us. So we should be thankful.
Like for example, in Delhi, this is the beginning of winter. And if winter is delayed, everyone says कि इस बार तो सर्दी नहीं पड़ रही, इस बार तो सर्दी नहीं पड़ रही. So it is so important to have this change of season.
Absolutely.
And there is some science behind it. Universe has not done anything out of sync. ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया जो हमें नहीं चाहिए, जो हमारे लिए जरूरी नहीं है. The only thing is we are not present to it, and we are not grateful for it.
True. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Jagjeet, if I have your permission, can I say something about the negative people this lady was worried about?
No, Shruti. We are here to talk only about positive things.
No, I mean how to deal with that.
If you want to do that, you can speak to Antara one-on-one and speak to her.
Yeah, I'll do that later.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, Shruti.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Puran, do you think we would like to do the Hindi version because we have 10 minutes?
No.
Or you want to take more questions or sharing in case people have?
We can have more questions because it's already 7 minutes left.
Yeah.
And
so anybody else wants to share? Varun, Preeti, Ranjit. Okay, so I want everyone to share what is one thing you got today from the session. So unmute yourself or write it on the chat box. What is one thing you got today from today's session? Something new which you were not present to.
Jagjeet, what I got is कि we need to be persistent. हम इसको regularly follow करना पड़ेगा to get the desired results.
Yeah, that is why the structure.
Okay, great. So Anji said that we have to see within us. Wow, Vijay got the positivity. Darshan is saying amazing people in this group. Amazing as you are, Darshanji. And Chitralekha is taking on improving relationship. If anyone want to say, can unmute and say. And it's great to read the chat. And Shruti has said that will record my blessings. Very, very true. Very, very true. So Jagjeet,
yeah.
जब ये हम लोग बात कर रहे थे अभी and in between I think Antara was saying about that we can be grateful for so many things, right?
Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir.
One thing I get present to couple of times is and recently I shared this with my mom, so she was like disappointed for something. Then I said, Mama, एक बात बताना. बोले क्या बात. मैंने क्या बताओ कि यदि कोई बोले कि ये अपनी एक उंगली मुझे दे दो, मैं इसके लिए आपको 1 करोड़ रुपए दूंगा, तो क्या कोई देगा? या आप चाहोगे आप दो, या मैं कैसी बातें कर रहे हो? ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कोई. So if you see right now in each and every body parts we have, it is so valuable God has given to us. I don't think so anyone would like to give M amount of money for even this little finger to give it, cut it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
true.
करोड़ खरबपति पता नहीं कितने अरबपति तो ऑलरेडी है हम जो हमारे पास बॉडी है एंड दैट कुड बी आई कैन बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर राइट नाउ
Yeah.
so that thank you so much guys. Okay, great. And so Jagdeep, there are a couple of people are putting on in chat box like Meenakshi said that concentrated continuing habit of gratitude.
Yeah.
You know, and that is actually Meenakshi right now we all together is doing in this 28 days, that we are concentrated every day, and the structure we have, like morning we are having this session, and then you have WhatsApp group, and then you can can empower each other there. That's very, very true. So one more thing, Jagdeep, couple of people have joined, maybe they're not aware about it or got the link right now, like Arvind, as far as I remember, and later on Atul and couple of more people. So guys, first of all, we together all welcome you in this journey. And my invitation is kindly check whether you are there with us on WhatsApp group or not. And the timing of this session is every day, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Right? So it will give an immense value if you all log in at 7 a.m. So my request to all who have joined a little late because of any other reason, please do schedule, and we'll see you tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Yes. And people who have joined us today, please do the assignments of yesterday and day before, so that everybody is on the same page and you get the value which is being created here on the session. And and you start feeling the magic in your life. Because the moment you watch The Secret, the moment you logged into this group, the magic has already begun in your life.
Very true.
You are the chosen ones, and be grateful for that. वो है ना गाना, अपना time आएगा, so अपना time आ गया है. Yeah.
To do this exercise, Jagdeep.
Yeah.
तो मैं इस बात को लेकर बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि वो 3 फोटोग्राफ्स होंगी जिनको मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ और मेरे सामने, और मैं उन लोगों को अपना ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस कर रहा हूँ, and the kind of experience I'll be having entire day, that is going to be magical. So I'm really super excited for practicing it. What about you?
Yeah, so I wanted to share that I altered my relationship with my ex-boss, as I had mentioned earlier also. So I had a love-hate relationship with her. And then when I did magic and I did this practice of relationship and I used her picture, and going forward, we have another session on relationship. So I actually started paying gratitude for whatever she's been doing for me and whatever she has done for me so far. And magically, our relationship is altered. Today, we are best of friends. And I mean, she shares her deepest concerns and deepest feelings with me. And that oneness has been created just because I've been practicing magic, and I've been practicing this relationship magic practice. So I would invite all of you to believe in it and pick 3 people from your life who are very important to you, and the relationship is very important to you, and you want to take it to the next level. Look for their pictures, put it in your mobiles so that you are able to see it 2-3 times during the day tomorrow. And let's begin.
Yo.
Yeah. So since we don't have anything, any more questions and sharing, we'll close this session today here, and we'll all meet tomorrow at 7 a.m.
And I want to quickly, as we have just 3 seconds, want to quickly thanks to you, Jagdeep. Thank you so much for creating Anji with us, Antara, Arvind, Atul, Vijay, Chitralekha, Darshan, Meenakshi. Thank you so much for reading it on. Praveen, Preeti, Ranjit, Reva, Shruti, Shweta, Varun, and Vijay. So see you guys tomorrow 7 a.m. Thank you so much.